Senator Tolentino sa MMDA. Nung nasa Leyte kami, nasa Tacloban kami, walang dumadating po na tulong. Ang unang dumating na tulong ay galing kay Senator Tolentino ng MMDA. Unang dumating na tulong ay galing kay Senator Tolentino ng MMDA. Pakita mo talagang malalim ang pagmamahal niya sa taong bayan.
Totoo ba yan? Tanungin natin mismo ang taga-Tacloban.
Si President Rodrigo Duterte nga after 2 days naa siya, nagdala siya kay siya pod igkasi nga taga Leyte. So siya ang una nga nitabang sa ato nagdala og mga doctors.
So siya ang una nga nitabang sa ato nagdala og mga doctors.
So siya ang una nga nitabang sa ato nagdala og mga doctors ug mga relief goods.
Mula third day ng Yolanda nandito ka, walang mintis yung tulong nyo. Sa totoo lang po, kung hindi po sa tulong ninyo, hindi kami makabangon dito.
Nung nasa Leyte kami, nasa Tacloban kami, walang dumadating po na tulong.
Si President Rodrigo Duterte nga
Because we did not want to come, because if we had come, then we would take up resources and assets that were sorely needed at the time. You know, if you come here, somebody will have to secure you, you will have to have a vehicle, you have to have a place to stay, they have to feed you. In the first few days, they simply did not have that capability. So we said, let's get out of the way, let people do as much as they can. Now that we have found that, we hear that the conditions are better, and we can move around without getting in the way of the...
The other night, they were arrived Tacloban just this afternoon because they had to negotiate their way and may na sila, nagdaman sila na atong 911 kompleto na i-cutter. So you got nila hinay-hinay, nakaabot sila. I think we are the first, but I'm not saying that we are the only one who was helping.